Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make a Discord stream go full screen, so you can enjoy your friends' streams or your own in complete focus. Let's go ahead and open Discord. Now, hop into a voice channel in any server where someone is currently streaming, or start your own stream if you're testing. If someone else is streaming, you'll see a live icon next to their name. Click on their name, then click Watch Stream. The stream window will open up in the Discord chat area. You can make this window larger by dragging the edges, but to go fully immersive, let's enter full screen mode. Look to the bottom, right of the stream window. You'll see a little box icon with corners. That's the full screen button. Click it, and the stream will now take over your entire display. No distractions, no chat bar, nothing else in the way. You can press Escape at any time to exit full screen and return to normal view. If you're streaming yourself and want to watch your own stream full screen, it works the exact same way. Just open your own stream in another window, or use a second Discord account. This works in both the desktop app and the browser version of Discord, although the experience is smoother in the desktop app. And one last tip, if you're using multiple monitors, you can drag the stream to a separate screen and full screen it there while keeping your chat open on the other. And that's it! Now you can enjoy Discord streams in full screen with just one click. If this was helpful, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more helpful Discord guides.